Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. If you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which says subscribe. Hit that, and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that as well so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to unbox this fab bag, February month fab bag. So I'm going to open this up, and I got two cards. On the first card, all the items are written whatever we get in this February month fab bag, and on the other card there is a contest going on. Every month there is a contest going on fab bag. Like how you can participate, you have to click a picture of February fab bag and you have to tag them in my fab bag on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and you can stand a chance to win the Month Sub Gold facial mask. I'm going to leave all the details in the bottom bar so you can check that out. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first product. So the first product that I got is from Purple Essentionaturals. It's a bath salt and it's a 100-gram product. It contains peppermint oil, almond oil and olive oil. Okay, so and it retails for 450 rupees. So this is the bath salt and this is the first product that I got. And the next product that I have is this. This is the Major Crush by Ayushi, and this is a nail lacquer, and this is a 9.9 ml product, and this nail paint retails for 199. Okay, and the next product that I got is from Tvakh, and this is a white tea rose deep pore cleansing exfoliating scrub, and this is a 50-gram product and it's for normal to medium oily skin type persons. So this is the exfoliating scrub that I got, and this retails for 172 rupees. Okay, and the next product that I got is this foundation. So we got an email from FabBag team that we have to choose a product, and they have given us different options from NELF itself. So it got, I think, 3 shades of foundation and a primer from NELF. So I chose this foundation, this NELF foundation, and I'm in the shade 03. I chose this one, and this is the foundation, and this is the HD Neutral Rose 03, and this retails for 800 rupees. Okay, so I'm going to open this nail foundation for you and I'll show you. Okay, so it's a kind of a pump is here, and I'm just going to show you. Let me see that it's going to match me up or not. Okay, it's a kind of pinky tone, as you can see here. I think this will match my skin tone. Formula is good, I must say. This was the fourth product that I got. And next, this is also from Purple Essentionaturals Milk and Honey, and this is a shower gel. This is a 100 ml product, and this retails for 594 rupees. And this is the fifth product that I got. And one more thing that I got in this bag is these 2 sachets from Acnes Clarifying Face Wash, and it's Soothe Skin Plus, and each sachet retail for ₹5. And let me tell you, in the previous month as well we got these 2 sachets, and I already used these 2 sachets. This face wash is like superb for my skin. I have an oily acne prone skin, so this works very well onto my skin. And this is how the February month fab bag looks like. As you can see, it's totally white and cute pink little hearts on this bag, and a brooch is here of fab bag, and fab bag is written here. As you can see, it has a pink zipper, and the quality is like very good. They always send good quality products and good quality of bags, so I already love this one. So this month I got 6 products, and all are like full size products, except these sachets. So this is what I like. And let me tell you about fab bag. Like, they have a very good subscription plans, like for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, and they are already, according to the products they send it us every month, the price are like literally very good, very good. I'm going to leave all the details about where you can buy the fab bag, and if you want to see the subscription plans and the products about, and you want more information about the fab bag, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box. Make sure you check that on. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.